Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now I've been showing you guys how to make some crochet pieces that are amazing on this channel, and this video I'm going to be showing you guys another crochet tutorial. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle, and let's get into this video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing scrunchie. So all you need is this stretchy elastic hair packer, basically your yarn, your hook, and your scissors. Basically that's all you need, and let's get started. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a slip knot on your yarn, and then you're going to make single crochets along all around this elastic band basically. So I'm going to put my hook into the band, bring out my loop, and then create my single crochet like that. So create a chain, then start your single crochet all around this circle. So you're going to continue pulling it backwards, because once you get to the whole circle, if you don't pull it backwards, you're going to have spaces in between. So make sure as you're going all around, you are moving it backwards so that you can be able to fill up all those holes.
To the game, bro, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bro. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be.
Now guys, I've gotten to the end of this round, and then I'm just going to finish off using a slip stitch. So all I'm going to do is put it into the first stitch right there, pull it out, and then pull out this yarn that I just pulled out from the entire thing, and I'm going to have my slip stitch done. Now chain one, cut your yarn. If you're going to change your color, cut your yarn, but if you're not changing your color, just chain 3 right here, and then you're going to continue from when we have our chain 3 from the second color. When I change my color, basically you can now continue from there. So if you are changing your color, cut it just like this, pull it out, and then get your new color, create a slip knot, insert your hook in the first stitch right there, and bring out this loop right here. Now make 3 chains, and then we're now going to put 2 double crochets in this particular hole that this hole that you're looking at. Make 2 double crochets in it. So this is how you do a double crochet. You yarn over, insert in the hole, yarn over again, pull through 2 of the 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. Now we're going to do one more. So the 3 chains that we did plus these 2 double crochets makes it 3 for this particular hole, and then every subsequent hole will be 3 double crochets, not 2, 3 double crochets. So after this one that I've done now, this is a set. The next set will be 3 double crochets in the next hole. So just like that till you get to the other end of the round, you're going to keep putting 3 double crochets in each of these holes.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the
So guys, I've gotten to the end of this row, and if you want it to be like this, if you want your scrunchie to be small like this, you can easily stop here. Some people love it small just like this, so stop here. And then if you don't want it to be as small as this, you can continue to the next stage that I'm going to show you guys. So with this, I'm done with this row, and then I'm just going to finish it off with a slip stitch again so that I can finish the entire round. Then chain one and cut off my yarn. So cut it off, pull it out, and then I'm going to take my new color, create a slip knot. Now again, if you are not creating a new color, if you are not using a new color, just chain 3. Now in this same space, we're going to put 2 more double crochets in this same hole. So 2 more double crochets will now make it 3 with the 3 chains. So depending on how big you want your scrunchie to be, that's how many double crochets you are going to use basically. I used 3 in my case, and if you want it to be bigger, you can use 4, 5, 2, any amount that you want to use, you can use it. So I'm using 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 in each of these spaces, and then till I get to the other side. And then when I get to the other side, I'm going to slip stitch, and then I'm going to be done with this scrunchie.
Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't want to get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know
Now, can you guys see this rainbow colored one? This is how it's going to look like in the end if you do 3 in each of the stitches basically. So it's going to be really fluffy. So I'm going to continue with this brown one, and then once I get to the end, I'm slip stitching, chaining 1, and then cutting off my yarn.
The venom in my brain, running from the past, won't escape my pain.
And guys, can you see what it looks like? God, it's so beautiful. And then I made it in this blue, gray, black version for a set that I made for a gift package. And then the brown one as well was for a gift set as well. Guys, it's beautiful, it's amazing, it's so cute. And I'm still going to show you guys the tutorial on how to make the shrug, the envelope purse that I showed you guys. Guys, this channel is filled with amazing tutorials already. I'm going to link the playlists down below so that you guys can go check it out. I have amazing beginner friendly crochet tutorials, sewing tutorials on this channel. It's packed, guys. If you try this out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Please also don't forget to comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, subscribe guys. Joining as a member, membership helps the channel financially. Like this video, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.